How to change Riot account sign-in username. This tutorial shows you how to update your Riot ID username on your Android device. First, open your web browser like Chrome on your Android device. The browser will load. Next, type account.riotgames.com in the address bar. The Riot account login page will load. Now, sign in with your current Riot account credentials. Enter your username and password. Moving forward, tap Sign In to access your account. Your account dashboard will open. Afterwards, look for Riot ID or username settings on the page. Tap on the pencil icon or Edit button next to your current Riot ID. The username edit field will appear. Type your new desired username in the text field. Make sure it follows Riot's username requirements. Usernames must be 3 to 16 characters long and unique. Once you've entered your new username, tap Save or Confirm. Riot Games will verify if the username is available. If it's taken, you'll need to choose a different one. Note that you can only change your Riot ID once every 30 days. Once confirmed, your new username will be updated immediately. Your new Riot ID will now be used across all Riot games like Valorant and League of Legends. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change your Riot account username, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming account tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.